Good morning from Northwest Alabama Regional Airport. My name is Connor and welcome back to another Nix Aviation trip report. Today I'll be flying with Contour Airlines on board their Embraer E135 from here in Muscle Shoals over to Charlotte. Contour was recently awarded this city under the Alternate Essential Air Service program and serves Muscle Shoals with 12 weekly round-trip flights to Charlotte, operated by a mixture of Embraer ERJ-135 and 145 aircraft. With Contour being my favorite airline and operating my favorite aircraft, and Muscle Shoals being only 3 hours away, I just had to give this flight a try. So, let's get right to it. The terminal here at MSL is a combination of a flight school, FBO, and an airline terminal. It's the perfect size for the amount of traffic it receives, and suits commuter airlines such as Contour quite fittingly. Checking in is fairly simple with Contour. Simply provide your ID, and you receive your boarding pass. Admittedly, I arrived a bit too early, as I was the only passenger in the terminal for a good hour before the opening of TSA and commencement of boarding, which was scheduled for 7 a.m. With not much to do, I just took a look around this quaint little terminal. In reality, you should arrive at the airport about 45 minutes to an hour early for a Contour flight, as that's when things really start to pick up. Arrive 2 hours early like me, and you're left with some walking around to do. However, most of Contour's airports are only so big, so... well, let's just say lesson learned. Do not arrive 2 hours early for your Contour flight. Amenities in this small terminal include a courtesy phone, a few charging stations, a single TV, a vending area, which unfortunately lacked any vending machines, and a few magazines here and there. Yeah, it's not much to get excited about, but again, you should only be here for only an hour until you board your flight. So, it works out. Speaking of which, my aircraft this morning is November 15527, a 21-year-old Embraer ERJ-135LR. It has an interesting history, starting life with Continental Express and working its way through ExpressJet, Chautauqua Airlines, and Midwest Connect, before being pulled from the boneyard by Contour back in 2017. Contour's ERJ-135s are fitted with a spacious 2-1 configured 30-seat cabin, providing top-of-its-class comfort and legroom at every seat. My seat for this hour-and-a-half flight to Charlotte is 10A, with a beautiful engine view. Contour offers the greatest amount of legroom of any regional jet economy product, at a whopping 36 inches. The seatback pocket is clean and contains only a safety card, which we will look at later. The tray table is very clean and sturdy. Not long after boarding, the ramp was rolled away. So now, without further ado, we start up, taxi out, and depart on time from runway 11.
Welcome aboard. Please remove the safety briefing card you see popping in front of you and follow along as we explain the safety features of our aircraft. We ask that you remove the seat from the cushion, hold the cushion to your chest, and place your arms to the strap at the bottom to remain afloat. If necessary, infant life vests will be distributed by the flight attendant. Information is also shown on the safety information card. Smoking and the use of electronic cigarettes is not permitted on board the passenger compartments or the lavatories, or any time on board the aircraft. Federal law prohibits tampering with, disabling, or destroying a smoke detector installed in the aircraft lavatory.
Upon reaching our cruising altitude of 29,000 feet, the flight attendant came around with a full snack and beverage service. He overheard me telling another passenger that I had not had breakfast yet and was kind enough to give me extra snacks. I of course accompanied my packaged breakfast with a Sprite. As previously mentioned, the seatback pocket only contained a safety card. Contour has, and most likely never will, offer an in-flight magazine or Wi-Fi, so in-flight entertainment is entirely up to you. Now with all that out of the way, we begin our descent into Charlotte, landing on runway 36 left. Per the norm, it's been another great flight with Contour. This flight is an example of Contour taking full advantage of their interline agreement with American Airlines. Passengers can book from Muscle Shoals to anywhere in the American route map on a single itinerary. This abolishes the need to drive to nearby airports such as Huntsville or Nashville. And for those such as myself that want to fly to Charlotte, it's only $49 one way. Just as I was when Contour began operations at Greenville, I am very confident in Contour's success at Muscle Shoals, as the interline agreement with American opens so many doors for connecting passengers. My overall flight experience was rather simple, but pleasant. The flight attendant offering me extra snacks to help get my day started was a lovely bonus. I would definitely recommend flying Contour if it's convenient for you. A big thanks to Contour Airlines for the pleasant and easy flight today. It's no wonder they're my favorite airline. And an even bigger thanks to all of you for watching my video today. I sincerely hope you enjoyed this trip report. Make sure to leave a like if you enjoyed and subscribe for more. If you did not like the video, be sure to tell me why so I can fix it in the next one. If you'd like, you can also follow me on Instagram by clicking the link in the description. I have about 7 hours here in Charlotte before my return flight, so I'm going to get some plane spotting done, and I'll see y'all in the next video.